Kamusta? Ako si May. Ikaw? Pag-amin. Pag-amin. Pag-amin, meaning to admit. Kapitbahay. Ka-pit-ba-hay. Kapitbahay, meaning neighbor. Baka. Ba-ka. Baka, meaning cow. Masipag. Ma-si-pag. Masipag, meaning hardworking. Saging. Sa-ging. Saging, meaning banana. Nahahawakan. Na-ha-ha-wakan. Nahahawakan, meaning tangible or something that can be touched. Baka. Ba-ka. Baka, meaning maybe. Pader. Pa-der. Pader, meaning wall. Ahas. A-has. Ahas, meaning snake. Bituka. Bi-tu-ka. Bituka, meaning intestines. Pating. Pa-ting. Pating, meaning shark. Martes. Martes. Martes, meaning Tuesday. Biyernes. Biyernes. Biyernes, meaning Friday. Patalastas. Pa-ta-las-tas. Patalastas, meaning advertisement or commercial. Kurtina. Kur-ti-na. Kurtina, meaning curtain. Kahapon. Ka-ha-pon. Kahapon, meaning yesterday. Bangko. Bangko. Bangko, meaning bank or chair. Isda. Isda. Isda, meaning fish. Takot. Takot. Takot, meaning afraid or scared. Malasa. Ma-la-sa. Malasa, meaning flavorful. Bote. Bote. Bote, meaning bottle. Apoy. Apoy. Apoy, meaning fire. Basahan. Ba-sa-han. Basahan, meaning rug. Kurtina. Kur-ti-na. Kurtina, meaning curtain. Hagdan. Hagdan. Hagdan, meaning stairs.